Guys, in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly what Aster is. And if you want to start using Aster DEX, I've also got the link below in the video description. So Aster is the native token for a decentralized trading platform, also known as a DEX. Think of it this way. Most people trade on a centralized exchange like Binance or Coinbase. That's like putting your money in a bank. You deposit your funds and they ultimately hold them for you. A DEX, on the other hand, lets you trade directly from your crypto wallet, like MetaMask. You never give up control of your money. This is the big idea behind Aster. It's part of a movement to give traders the powerful features of a big shot exchange without forcing them to hand over their crypto. Now, this is where things get really interesting. Aster isn't just another crypto swap page. It has some powerful features that are drawing a ton of attention. Let's get into the four most important ones. First up, the trading platform itself. Aster specializes in something called perpetual futures. It's basically a contract that lets you bet on the future price of a crypto, like Bitcoin for example, without ever actually having to buy any Bitcoin. You're simply speculating on whether the price will go up or down. Second, the insane leverage. Aster advertises up to 1001x leverage on certain trades. In simple terms, leverage is like the multiplier on your trading cash. It lets you control a huge trading position with a small amount of your own money. This can rocket your gains, but it can also magnify your losses just as fast. Third is the privacy and control. You don't need to hand over your email, passport, or any personal documents to use Aster. This is a major benefit of decentralized platforms, often called no KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer. You just ultimately connect your wallet and you're good to go. And fourth, what does the Aster token itself actually do? So it has three main jobs. Holding the Aster token can get you discounts on trading fees. You can also stake it to earn a piece of the platform's revenue. And finally, it's a governance token, meaning holders can vote on the future direction of the project. And on top of that, a portion of the platform's fees is used to buy back and burn Aster tokens, which is a deflationary mechanism designed to reduce the total supply over time. A lot of the buzz around Aster comes from who's actually backing it. The project is supported by YZ Labs, which is the rebranded investment firm of Binance's founder, CZ. In early November 2025, CZ also publicly confirmed he made a personal investment of around $2 million into the project. This association with one of crypto's most influential figures has given Aster massive credibility. However, let's be crystal clear about the risks. Trading with extreme leverage is incredibly dangerous and is one of the fastest ways to lose all of your money. Aster is also a very new project. While the merger happened in late 2024 and the rebrand to Aster was March 2025, its token generation event only happened on September 17th, 2025. It operates in a highly volatile market where nothing is guaranteed. And this video is absolutely not financial advice. Guys, if this video was helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and I will see you in the next video.